So it seems that the rate of inflation nudged up again after months and months of it gradually falling. And that's before the current round of wage increases begins to filter through. Because in the last week or two, what this lot have done is show weakness and capitulate to the unions. For those of us old enough to remember what unions actually do, or rather how they behave, we know that the unions are not going to say, thank you very much, see you in 4 or 5 years' time. They sense weakness and they come back with yet more demands and more threats. And I believe they're doing that already. Unfortunately, a couple of months ago, I would have expected or predicted 2 or 3 interest rate cuts by the end of the year, including the one that we've had. Now, I think we'd be lucky to see one more. And although there have been some increasingly more attractive offers from lenders, they are now beginning to dry up, and I have no doubt that lenders will probably ease off a little from offering or cutting their rates and offering better deals to take stock of what's happening and which direction we are heading in. Obviously, if inflation begins to rise again, then we can see interest rates not only not being cut, we might even see them begin to rise again, which is potentially a threat to landlords, homeowners, home buyers and businesses alike. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. In the meantime, the exodus of landlords continues, and for those of you who are looking to rent or buy, I would hold off before you take out the bunting, because this probably won't benefit you as much as you think, if at all, because as these properties leave the private rental sector and are increasingly taken up by the corporations, by housing associations, by those who pander to the narrative, have no doubt that there will be an order of priority for these properties. And if you think that you, as the law-abiding citizens of this great nation, are going to be at the front of the queue, I'm sorry to inform you that you will not. And sadly, this is the situation that we're in. The result of that will be even less rental homes being available to Joe Public, more demand as the numbers increase, and more chaos, because I have no doubt that our Angela Rayner is not going to build 1.5 million homes in 5 years. That's 300,000 a year, 6,000 per week, and they've been in office 6 or 7 weeks already. The backlog is already piling up, and I would imagine it won't be that long before the pressure on her is so great that she'll have no option but to stand down. And who we will be blessed with to take her place in that event? Who knows? Let's wait and see. Anyway, have a lovely weekend, and I will catch up with you again soon. Bye bye for now.